Hello! In this video I will be showing you how to use the RM Unified Management Console to find out usernames for pupils, for teachers, and also how to reset passwords. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account, and if you're not sure what your username or password is, please get in touch with SBC Glow by using the email address sbcglow@scottborders.gov.uk. So this is where we see the RM Unified screen, and at the top you'll notice an option that says Management Console. When you click this, it'll take you to your dashboard. Yours might look slightly different. If you're a teacher without admin rights, all you will see here is users and groups. If you have administration rights, this is how you should see it. If you think that you should have admin rights but you don't, please get in touch with your head teacher or the manager with this responsibility, and then let SBC Glow know and we can make those changes. So first things first, if you imagine that I have a set of people who I want to change their password, I would click on students. I would then use these options to find that person. So if I'm looking for Harry Potter, I search Harry, this comes up with that user. There I have their username, GW15, Potter Harry 3. And to reset that user, all I would do is click Actions, Change Password, and I then can type in a password for them to use. So if I do that just now, I then have the option to say user must change their password, or I can untick that, and what that means is that this will now be their password from now on. So depending on the situation, you might say to the pupil, okay, come over here and you can type in what this password is going to be and what this password is going to be, and then you wouldn't have to tick that. So that's how that works. When I'm finished, I would click Save. It will tell me that it's been done in the green, and then I would just click back to users. Instead of that though, sometimes you might have a position where you're needing to reset a whole class or a whole year group, and especially if this is the start of you actually using Glow with those learners. So to do that, what we do is we click Groups, and that's not worked properly. That is fine. What I will show you is, I will show you this in another school. If I click done. So this is me international school now. You can see how many students are there, numbers of teachers, etc. So if I wanted to reset a whole class, what I do is I would click on Groups. And what this will then do is it will bring up all the different groups that are in that school. So you can see this is organised by the actual registers, and this is actually year groups. What I'd then do if I was wanting to reset all their passwords, I'd click on Actions and I'd click on Change Members' Passwords. Now all I would do is the same before. I would type in a password there, and then click Save. Notice there that those two don't match, so it does let me know they're not working. If you were then wanting to download that whole group and you do have administration rights, all you'd click is you'd click View Members. Then at the top you'll see that there's an Actions there. When you click that, you'll then have the option to download all users in the group. And that will simply download it as an Excel spreadsheet, so you have access to all their usernames that can then be changed how you need to. Thank you for watching.